I am Steven in LA.
We're in LA.
And I'm Chris in LA.
And welcome to Radio Free Skaro and the World of Tomorrow. And welcome to Gallifrey 1, everybody. We're a Doctor Who podcast, by the way, from Canada. This is our fourth Gallifrey 1. The first time we came here, I think there was about 1,300 people who attended the whole convention over the course of the weekend. There's already over 2,000 pre-registered attendees at this thing. That's amazing. Who here, by show of applause, who here is for their first Gallifrey 1? You're coming back. That's the thing. You are coming back. Say it now.
Once you're here, you always want to be here.
Yeah. Have we survived LobbyCon? We have? Did we appreciate the wake-up call known as a fire alarm? Because we were up for about 2 hours before that, trying to shake up the nerves for tonight's grand performance. Whether or not we're successful now remains to be seen. Anyway, our guests tonight, we have guests. Today, not tonight. Tonight for the UK, where most of them are from. We have Gary Russell, he's coming up, here's a friend of the show. We have Simon Fisher-Becker, he's coming on later. We have Toby Haynes, director extraordinaire. We have Barnaby Edwards, Dalek operator. And our first guest, though, right now, Jackie Tyler herself. And the reigning champion of Doctor Who, the Weekly Sleep, Camille Coduri, everyone. Camille, might I say you look fabulous.
Oh, thank you.
I mean, can you hear?
Yeah. Can you hear me down there?
Oh.